Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So I just brushed my teeth. This I do at least twice per day. However, right now I just brushed my teeth because I am going to be doing my 10 minutes teeth whitening. This is a kit that I use, guys, and here it is. Love your teeth. It's a quick and easy way to whiten your teeth at home, and all it takes is just 10 minutes twice per day. This is going to take your teeth to at least 2 to 3 shades whiter in 7 days. Now 7 days, and let me open this for you to see. Here is what is in it. We have our lead light, which is what you're going to place in your mouth, and here we have the vials, and these vials you're going to use one for each application. It's pretty easy to use. You take the vial out, you open the vial like this, you turn it around like this, you pinch the top of it, and you take the solution and you rub all over your teeth. Once you rub it over your teeth, then you're going to reach for your lead light. You're going to place it in your mouth, close your mouth for 10 minutes, and guess what? Twice per day, and in 7 days, whiter looking teeth. Now this works on all teeth, and even if you are wearing crowns or you're wearing veneer, it's going to have to remove the stain from your teeth. It's not going to get the veneer or the crowns whiter, but it's going to keep them at their original shade. So if you're looking for a teeth whitening that you can do in the comfort of your home and get your teeth to look at least 2 to 3 shades whiter in 7 days, then this video is for you. So continue watching. Now before we jump into the live demonstration, thanks to Love Your Teeth for sponsoring this video. What I'm going to do for you is just to show you how this works. And it's so easy, guys. 3-step, 7 days per week, 10 minutes twice per day. That's it. White looking teeth. Love your teeth is so easy, guys. So I'm going to just do a quick demonstration, and let me put this aside. So the first thing you do is to brush your teeth, and go ahead, brush your teeth with whatever toothpaste that you normally use. Once you finish brushing your teeth, what I like to do, guys, I like to put a little bit of a petroleum jelly or a little oil over my lips. Not that it's going to irritate your lips, it's just that if you're not careful, that might happen. So be mindful of that. Once you brush your teeth, you're going to take your vial, and here is your vial. First of all, you have your lead light, and it's going to have a little cover right here. All you need to do is to pull the cover off. When you pull the cover off, that's going to activate the battery. Make sure to wash your tray before you use it, and wash it each and every use. It is battery operated, and the battery will last over and over. But if you want to change the battery, you know, there's a means and way of changing it, which is pretty easy. So once you have your lead light, go ahead, wash it. Do not let the water touch this spot. All you're washing is the tray. And right here at the front, you have the on and off switch to turn it on and turn it off. Now once the tray is cleaned, you're going to reach for your vial, and you're going to take your vial out. You're going to turn it around, give it a little shake. I like to shake it, and then you're going to put it in this way. Then you're going to take your finger and you are going to pinch the front of the vial like this. You're just going to pinch it, and then once you turn it around, it's going to start soaking up the cotton that is there. So on clean teeth, you're going to take the vial and you're going to rub it all over your teeth like I'm showing here. Try to avoid touching the gum, and try to avoid touching the lips, and try to avoid getting a lot of saliva in your mouth. So go ahead and slowly rub the solution all over your teeth. Slowly rub it, and you're doing it on the front of your mouth where you have the smile line. So let me do this really quick for you. Both top and bottom. Now once this is done, you're going to reach for your tray, and you're going to place the tray in your mouth like this. After 10 minutes, you are going to remove the tray. Once you removed the tray, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to rinse your mouth out. Let me run and rinse mine really quick and come back. Now, once you rinse your mouth out, you're not going to eat anything for the next 30 minutes. Twice a day for only 10 minutes, you're going to use this Love Your Teeth. 7 days. Now, it doesn't matter how stained your teeth is, you will get at least 2 to 3 shades whiter. And that is the reason why they include this shade guide. You can actually use the shade guide to see how much whiter your teeth is. So you place the shade guide in your mouth, you match it with your teeth and put your date on it, and at the end of the 7 days, go back and match it and you will see that you definitely get shades whiter. So that is it. That is as simple as it is. Not to worry, guys, I got you covered, because I am going to put the link below where you can get this teeth whitening solution to purchase. Look in the description box. You're going to see the link. 7 shades, 7 days, 10 minutes, twice per day, 3 easy steps. Get your teeth to a whiter smile. Thank you all for watching. You like the video? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. And guess what? Comment. And any question you have on this Love Your Teeth simple, quick, and easy teeth whitening solution kit, leave it in the comment section below.